exploring the phrases Seal Kit. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving into an interesting English phrase, Seal Kit. If you're curious about what this means and when to use it, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. When we hear the term Seal Kit, we need to look at both words to understand the phrase fully. Seal, a device or substance that is used to join two things together or to prevent something from leaking. Kit, a set of things, such as tools or clothes, used for a particular purpose or activity. So, when combined, the phrase Seal Kit typically refers to a set of tools or materials used to seal something. In everyday English, Seal Kit often refers to a package of items used in machinery or other technical fields. Here are a couple of examples. 1. Hydraulic machines. If there's a leak in a hydraulic system, one might need a seal kit to fix the issue. This kit would typically contain various seals to stop any unwanted leaks. 2. Automobiles. Cars and trucks have numerous seals to prevent fluids from leaking. When these wear out, one would use a seal kit designed for that specific part of the vehicle. Remember, the exact items in a seal kit can vary based on what needs to be sealed. To make sure you're confident in using this phrase, let's look at a few examples. 1. The hydraulic pump is leaking. Do we have a seal kit to fix it? 2. Before you start the repair, make sure you have the right seal kit for the job. 3. I ordered a seal kit online for my car's brake system. By now, you should have a good sense of when and how to use seal kit in various contexts. Thanks for joining us in exploring the phrase Seal Kit. Now, whenever you come across this term, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Happy learning, and we hope this video has been helpful to you.